Good morning class. Welcome back to our computer class. Children, today we are going to do chapter 5. The name of the chapter is More About the Keyboard. Children, as we know that a computer has four main parts. Out of these parts, keyboard is also one of the important parts of the computer. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. As children, you are watching in the picture that there are different types of buttons. These buttons on the keyboard are called keys. First type of keys which we are going to learn, these are alphabet keys. The keys on the keyboard that are marked with the English letters A to Z are called alphabet keys. But these keys are not arranged in alphabetical order. Children, you can see in the picture that these alphabets as alphabets starting from A to Z, but on the keyboard these keys are not arranged in alphabetical order. These are arranged same as the keys are arranged on the typewriter. Letters can be typed using these alphabet keys. Now we have another type of keys. These are number keys. You can type numbers using number keys. They are marked with 0 to 9. Children, you can see in the keyboard that number keys are present on two places. One above the alphabetic order and one type of keypad is present on the right side of the keyboard. The number keys are from 0 to 9. A keyboard contains number keys at two places. In the row just above the alphabet keys on the right hand side of the keyboard, this is also called numeric keypad. Children, now a blinking line on the screen of the computer is known as cursor. Now third type of keys which we have on the keyboard, these are special keys. There are some special keys on the keyboard. Let us learn about them. First type of special key is enter key. You can see on the keyboard that this is the longest key. The cursor can be taken to the next line by pressing enter key. Children, after doing the work, when we have to move to the next line, we press enter key. Next type of key is space bar key. It is longest key on the keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Spaces between words can be given by pressing the space bar key. Pressing it once gives single space. Children, as the name is indicating, this is space bar key. So whenever we have to type and when we type on the screen words, we want spaces between the words. So when we press space bar key once, it gives one character space. Now backspace key. You can use backspace key to remove characters on the left of the cursor. Children, as just now I told you that a blinking line on the screen is called the cursor. When you have to delete the characters on the left side of the cursor, then we use the backspace key. Now suppose you typed wrong spellings of the word keyboard as keyboard. Press the backspace key to correct your mistake. Then next type of special key is caps lock key. Children, as we know that only on the keyboard only one type of letters are given. These are capital letters, but sometimes we need to type small letters. In case of typing small letters, we press caps lock key off, and whenever we need to type the capital letters, in that case we press caps lock key on. You can type in capital letters by pressing the caps lock key. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. As soon as you press the caps lock key, a light glows on the top right corner of the keyboard and it shows that whatever we will type on the screen, it will come in the capital letters. Now you can type in capital letters. You can type small letters again by pressing the caps lock key again. When you press the caps lock key again the light turns off. When the light of the caps lock key is off, in that situation we will get the letter small, and when caps lock key is on, in that condition we will get the capital letters. Now next type of special key is punctuation keys. These keys of the keyboard are used for punctuation. Children, as when we write in the copy we use punctuation keys, same manner these are the punctuation keys. These keys of the keyboard are used for punctuation. Examples are comma, full stop, colon, this dot, double dot is called colon sign, question mark, and hyphen. This minus sign is called hyphen. Now key combination. Children, as we do work in the computer, there are different ways to perform the works. Here there are some key combination. By using these key combination we can do our work fast. Shortcut keys help provide an easier and usually quick method of navigating and executing commands in computer software programs. Shortcut keys are commonly accessed by using the Alt key, Control key and Shift key. On the keyboard, children, you can see these keys are placed on the two places, Alt key, Control key and Shift key. By using these keys, we can use the shortcut keys and we can perform our work very fast. Below is a list of some of the most commonly used basic shortcut keys. First key is Control plus N. Children, when we will press Control with the one finger and we will press N with together, when we press Control plus N together, it creates a new blank document in some software programs. Second key combination is Control plus O. By using Control plus O together, open a file in current software program. Control plus A combination, select all text once. Control plus C, copy selected item. Control plus V shortcut key is used to paste the copied work. As we have select some of the work of our document, we can paste it to another place by using Control plus V. Next is Control plus X. If we have selected some of the part and we want to cut that, we want to delete that, for this we will use Control plus X. Then Control plus Z is similar to the undo last action. If by mistake we have deleted some important part, we can get it back by pressing Control Z. Control Y, redo last action. Then Control P, print the current page or document. Children, when we have to take the printout of our document, then we can press Control plus P to get the screen page on the paper. Alt plus F, file menu option in current program. Alt plus E, edit options in current program. And Alt plus F4, close the currently active program. Children, with this we have completed the explanation of the chapter, and in the next video we will do the exercise work. Children, this is your homework. You read this lesson once again yourself and get the problems. If you have to inquiry, you can ask me in the class, and in the next video we will do the exercise work. Till then, bye everybody.